everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of November reading, start from the 15th through the 21st of November 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leo people for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yep, let's see what is coming up for Leos for this week time, which has already started. Let's begin. The Judgment. I do see you crying in the very beginning of the week. It seems like you are feeling unhappy, unsatisfied. You praying badly, like you are so sad, crying at night, wishing and hoping for good times, and wishing for some sort of justice to come your way. You are waiting for your sunshine. You are waiting for the good times. You are waiting for you have been into the coldest phases of your life, and you really want some bright future. You really don't see anything positive, but you are praying, asking, seeking help and guidance. You believe that you deserve that, and you are looking forward to it. And I feel like, for some reasons, I'm picking up you don't have financial issues. It's more about your love life situation. It's more about whatever it is that you're crying over. It's something related to your love life, emotional fulfillment. Even though I do see you are a beautiful person, but maybe you have been unlucky in love. And it's it's something that tears you apart from deep within, because it's like you feel like I'm perfectly fine. Maybe you have been with the wrong person all your life. Maybe you have been expecting love from a wrong person, from the wrong direction. It's like maybe that could be the reason why you are unable to be in that zone where people could appreciate you, where people could love you. And maybe you always were so focused on one person that you forget, you did not even think of the other opportunities that you had. It's really you're complaining, and you don't see where you're doing things wrong. It seems like a wintry night, and you are just don't know what to do. You feel like you are left alone. You need help. You've been waiting for the right time, and the right time is not showing up. So that's you, and that's how you are starting of the week. Wow. Comes the Justice. What you focus on expands. Somehow you really have to do two things. If I say you are the mirror, your reality is a mirror of what is going on in your mind, then what will be the thoughts that you would desire to think to bring that in your reality, or to reflect that in your reality? That's one change that you need to do to have the life that you desire. So if you are here, focusing on the lack, the unhappiness that you're feeling, the sadness that you're feeling, the disappointments that you're feeling, that's going to reflect into your reality. And if you focus on what you desire, fulfilling love, happiness, committed relationship, commitment from a specific someone, whatever it is that you desire, if you could hold it here in your mind, it's going to start reflecting in your reality. So it's just that maybe you need to switch your focus. The only thing that you are waiting for is the justice in your love and relationship situationship. Then The only solution to that problem, that situation, is you switching your focus to what you desire without feeling the lack of what you don't have. It's going to start reflecting in your reality, and that's how you will do the justice. Now with, if you have been waiting for a specific someone, I feel like, maybe you have a lot of blocks when you think of this person. Maybe this person and the thought of this person is going to make you feel blocked in so many ways. You are going to have all the negative thoughts that you can think of ever existed in this universe when you think of one person. If that's the case, you really have to let that go, because that person is toxic. And that's why you are unable to see, like I said, maybe you have always missed the right opportunities for the wrong person. You have to do justice to yourself. If you know your worth, you will never let a person to hurt you, to block you from letting new beginnings happen for you. I feel like, there is something that you need to learn. You are doing some sort of injustice to yourself. You have been putting yourself on the least priority and putting the other person on the prime most priority, and that's why maybe this person always took you for granted. And whereas the other people might have been craving for your attention, and you ignore them because you were too focused on this one wrong person. So just try to understand there is something that you can do to bring the change that you want to see in your life, in your love life. Make sure you do the change, um, or be the change that you desire to see in your reality. It will take a lot of courage from your part. Maybe you will have to go against what you are wishing for right now. Because again, it's very important for you to take the toxicity out of your life. If this person, the thinking of this person, the relationship, the thought of reconciliation makes you feel blocked, you really have to let that person, that reconciliation, go out of your mind. You really have to start manifesting a new person with which you will have no blocks attached to. Now again, for that, like I said, think of a person who could bring you happiness. Focus on that one relationship. You really want to get married, think of the marriage. Think of the person that you're getting married as, in without putting a face to that person. Think of the good times that you're having. Think of your honeymoon. Think of the travel plans. Think of the this and that. Whatever you desire in your perfect ideal partner, think of that. Don't think of a specific someone. Don't think of a specific situation to evolve, to change, because then only you will have only negative thoughts, blocks that you can feel right now, which is going to make you feel worse than now. So just be mindful of that. You really have to take a step. I feel like you really have to do justice to yourself. You will be feeling the pull towards going back to the old ways of dealing with this person, dealing with the situation. You really have to stand tall for yourself. You cannot go back to the same person, letting them treat you the wrong way. You really have to stand tall for yourself, and that's how you will get the justice in the situation. Because I feel like it's not about the other person, it's more about you and your inner being. That's what I'm picking up. You really have to focus on yourself, value yourself. That's the important thing right now. If you don't do that, you are not going to get what you want. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. If you could focus on yourself, whatever you desire in your love life, be that with a specific someone, or be that you are single, you really want to attract the right kind of relationship, your focus should be you. The only thing that is blocking you right now is to work on yourself. You have not doing that. You have been doing the other things, which is like just keeping you even further blocked. Underneath the deck, we do have the Two of Wands. Whatever you want, whatever you desire to start, you can have that new start. But for that, you really have to break free from the mental blocks which you are having here and here. You need to understand how the law of attraction works, how the universe works, and then only you will be able to attract what you desire. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. I feel like if you could work on yourself, the person that you are waiting for, they will express their love to you. But for that, you really have to value yourself. You cannot let them treat you like a shit. Don't do that. The energies could be reversed, like I said, for some of you. Let's see more cards. Inner strength. Move back to wholeness. Recognize that you have the power. Yes, you have the power to overcome any fear, any lack that you feel. You don't have any lack with it. It's just that your mindset is like the wrong. You are in the wrong mindset right now. You really need to work on that. You really have to get strong. You have to bring the strength to you, and that's how you will be in that situation where you could attract. Where you feel confident in yourself, and that's when you are going to attract what you desire in your life. um, Yep, let's see more cards. Flow. Find an easier path forward, surrender the outcome, release your expectations. The easiest way forward is you letting things go, whatever it is that you are, I feel like, there is a specific someone on your mind that you want to reconcile with. You really have to let that person go because that person is a block, nothing more than that. If you surrender the situation, the outcome, and just follow, try to manifest a life partner instead of a specific someone, that's going to ease up your situation. You will be finding the one that you are destined to get married to. If this person that you want to reconcile with is meant to be yours, this person is going to come in your life being the desirable person. If this person is not meant for you, this person is going to be taken away from your life, and the universe is going to gift you with the right kind of person who is your soulmate, or who you are destined to be with. So just be mindful of that. Let's take one more oracle card and then we are done. Surrender to the divine. Don't expect anything from anyone. Just work on yourself right now. That's going to bring you what you desire to you. It's like, it's going to magnetize whatever you desire to you. You won't have to do anything else. All you need to do is to work on yourself. Try not to think of negative thoughts. Try to do justice to yourself. Stop chasing a person, because that's not how you will get what you want. So try to understand that, and that's all you need to do right now to have what you desire. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.